Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform T around the world. In the beginning, start juggling with your player. Next, perform around the world. And then flick the right analog towards position you are facing. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.